everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you 6 handbags that I'm seriously considering buying. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. But without any further ado, guys, let's get on into the video. There have been some new bags that have come out in the past couple of months that have struck me in the soul, and I really like these bags. Some of these are definitely newer bags. Some of these are older bags that I didn't know existed or have seen before, didn't really love, but then kind of like, I don't know, they grew on me, if you know what I mean. So I have 6 on my list here that I want to share with you guys today. One of these on here, I genuinely never thought that I would ever like, because I kind of made it a point that I like hated this bag, but it's come out in a different style that really makes me like it. Okay, so let's start from the bottom and we'll go to the top. So I guess that'll be like a least to most favorite, I guess. We'll kind of do it that way. The first one I want to talk about today is going to be the Celine Nano Luggage Bag. I have seen this bag, I've seen it for a long time. It's been out for quite a while, but this is the Nano Luggage Bag and it's in the shade Coal. I used to be obsessed with gray. Like everything that I would want was gray. I've kind of grown out of that, and a lot of stuff that I want now is not gray or it's a different kind of neutral, but I think I'm getting kind of back into the gray phase of my life. I don't know what it is, but like this shade of gray really speaks to me. I like this a lot. I used to look at them and go, they're cool, it's fine. It's just not something that I think that I would personally like. But I did not know it came in like this nano version, and I just love anything that's like a little bit smaller, you know? Like the Chanel Jumbo, don't need that. But a medium and a small, absolutely. It's a little top handle. It's so cute. I just love it, and this color is speaking to me. I love it. It's like a grayish blue. It's definitely a blue undertoned gray, so it's like a cool toned gray, I do think. And on the front of the bag, this is gonna sound really dumb, but this is, okay, hear me out, okay? I saw this on the front of the bag, and I thought that it looked like a little robot face. Look, the little zipper is its mouth, and the little 2 little doodads for the strap patches right there, those are his little eyes. And then the wavy texture on the side is like his face. It looks like a robot face to me, and it's really cute. Next up, I have the Ysl Medium Envelope Bag. Guys, I didn't know this bag existed. I have been recently watching Amber Ashley, and she really loves this bag. It looks great. It looks awesome. I don't know how I didn't know this bag existed before, but it comes in like a small, and it comes in a medium, and it comes in a large. The large is way too big for me, but the small only has 2 grommets on the side, so the strap is like one long strap, you know, like my mini Lulu puffer, you know, like that, whereas the medium size has 4 grommets and it has like 2 straps. I really just love the 2 strap thing. Even with when it came to like Chanel bags, I loved the 2 straps. I really just like that versatility, and it just, I like the sound of it. I just like it. I don't know why, but yes, the medium Saint Laurent envelope bag has the 4 grommets, 2 straps. I also really like the gray one in this bag style as well. I don't know what it is with me in gray at this moment. They also have this really cool like deep foresty green color, which I think is really nice too, so that one's also a option. I think that if I did get this, I would for sure go on the pre-love market, because YSL does not have the best pre-love like sell value, if you will. Again, this one is on my radar, but it's not one that I am like jumping to get right this second. My number 1, I want to go out and buy it right now. Like I want to go out and buy it right this second. I can't, it's sold out. but the second that it's available again, I will be buying this bag, my number one. Number three on my list, I have the Bottega Veneta Mini Jody in the shade Fountain. I talked about this bag a little while ago. I forgot what video I talked about it in, but it's the cutest thing I've ever seen, you guys. It's so stinking cute. I did see it as well at Nordstrom. I saw it in person and I held it and I put my stuff in it. I'll put a picture of that right up here as well, just so you can see what it looks like in person. But I love this bag so much. It's currently sold out from Nordstrom, and that's near me, but you can probably still get it on the Bottega Veneta website. I mean, it'll come back in stock in Nordstrom, I'm sure. I mean, I just hope it's not one of those colors that is impossible to find after a while. Lord knows that's probably how it's gonna be with my luck. It's just gonna be impossible to find after a couple of months. I don't know. This one is definitely one that I would go out and buy very, very soon. I really love this bag. I can picture myself wearing this bag a lot. I love it in the neutral shades as well, obviously, but I just love the green. I love mint green. It's one of my favorite colors. Mint green, seafoam green, like this green right here that's playing on my TV. Love, 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 love so much. But that mint green on the Jody bag is one of my absolute favorite colors, and I just feel like I need this bag in my life. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get it this year. I mean, it would be great if I could, but it is very spring, summer, and we're already into May at this point. So for me to have to save up for it, I'd probably have the savings in like August, winter. But I have other things on my wish list that I want more that I want to get during August, winter. So maybe next year I'll get this bag. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I really, really like it. It's so cute. And I know before I was like, the mini Jody bag is poopy. But I've changed my mind. I still think that the zip part could definitely be better. I think that's probably going to be an issue. And if I do get the bag and if I have an issue with the zip, I'm going to be like,
Kenzie, I told myself there was a zip issue. I told you there was a zipper problem and you didn't pay attention and you still got it because of the shiny pretty color.
And then, you know, future Kenzie is gonna be like, yeah, well, shiny pretty color. I don't know what to tell you. Number 4 on my list, I do believe that was 4. I think this is number 4. Number 4 is going to be the mini Chanel boy bag. Okay. This is the one that I genuinely thought that I would never, ever, ever, ever want in my life because I don't like the look of the regular boy bag. I just don't like it for some reason. I see it on other people and I think it looks really cute on them. I don't like the CC logo. It looks like industrial to me. It doesn't look nice and classic and pretty. It looks like a metal plate, you know, like that's just placed there with the CC logo in it. I don't like that. I don't love the chevron pattern that a lot of them have. It's very boxy. It's just like a rectangle. It's all it is. I don't know. I don't love the look of this, but I love the mini size. The mini size is so freaking cute. They have it in black and pink at the moment, and I really like the pink one. I'm not even that much of a pink fan. I do like pink as much as the next person, but it's not my favorite color. But if I were to go with this bag, I think I would get the pink one. It's so freaking cute. But I will say the price of this bag is $4,500, which I think is freaking nuts. Like, this mini bag is $4,500, and I think just like a regular boy bag is maybe like $5,000, $5,200, something like that. So if you paid like $500, $700 extra dollars, you could get a full-size bag, and it's been out for much longer. So you have many other color options, you have different leather options and everything. I don't understand Chanel pricing because I know people are gonna buy the mini boy bag. Like, I know what's gonna happen, I know it's gonna be popular, but like in my brain I'm just like, why would you spend $4,500 on a mini bag when you could just save up for like a month or two more and get it a full size. I don't know. I would buy it if I could. Like if money was not an issue, of course I would buy it because I like it more than the regular. I don't see myself ever getting a regular sized Chanel boy bag. Never say never. I mean, with time, maybe it'll grow on me or something, and maybe I'll become like the biggest Chanel boy bag fan, you know, a couple of years down the line. But right now, I just do not see myself ever buying one of those bags. But the mini one I would buy. Number 5 on my list here, you guys, and this one I am seriously considering. It's another mini bag, and it is the Louis Vuitton Micro Pochette Métis. Listen, I know this bag is not practical. It doesn't even fit a phone. It is just one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. I love this bag so much. It is adorable. It comes in like a beige color, it comes in like a pastel baby yellow, and it comes in a pink. And I love the beige color, and I also love the yellow. I really am trying to get more into yellow, but I don't know if I can commit to a full-on yellow bag right now, but maybe like the beige color. It's so cute. I really like mini bags, you guys. That's a whole trend going on right now. I know mini bags are all the rage, and like give it like 2 years and no one's gonna give two shits about mini bags anymore. But right now, damn it, I like mini bags and it's so freaking cute. I love the buckle. That's like my favorite thing on the regular size Pochette Métis. I love the little buckle that's on it. It's just a really nice shape to me. I don't know what else. Of course, I love the leather. It's beautiful leather. I think it's like the empreinte, I want to say, leather, and it's just really nice. I haven't seen one of these in person. I have seen them online, obviously, and I've seen people unbox them and stuff. Maybe next time I go to the mall near me, I'll look to see if they have one, but honestly, I doubt they're gonna even have it available because it's so popular. It's probably sold out everywhere. So, just if I keep my eye on it and I just like search for maybe a year or so, maybe I'll find it next year. I don't know. So it is $2,030 on the Louis Vuitton website. Now let me just look and see what a regular Pochette Métis is. The regular Pochette Métis is $2,570. So if you spent like $500 extra, again, you could get a full-sized bag that is practical and could fit all of your essentials and more. The Pochette Métis can fit a lot of stuff. Like it's a very nice and roomy bag. $2,570 for a bag that you can wear every day and you can fit so much stuff in it, I think is obviously a better deal than a micro bag that is $2,030 that you can't fit a phone into, and you can probably fit like your cards, maybe a card holder, your keys, a lipstick, you know, your like bare essentials. I don't think it's a good value, but I think it's dang cute. So, you know, it's just like my brain is like, not practical, but real cute. You probably won't like it in a year, but I like it right now. It's just a whole fiasco. It's like a inner turmoil situation going on in my head. Number 1, you guys, and this one I am actively hunting for, actively searching. I will buy this the second I'm able to. The millisecond that I see that it comes back in stock, I will purchase this bag. And it's probably one that you may not have heard of, because I don't see it talked about on YouTube or Instagram really, but I saw this bag just randomly on the internet and I flipped out. I love it. And it is the Gucci Heart Utility Belt Bag. Guys, this is a belt bag. And I know that's not like revolutionary or anything. However, you can wear it as a belt. It's got a little pouch, and then it's got a heart-shaped coin purse next to it. I love the heart-shaped bag trend, I really do, but the Chanel ones are exorbitantly priced, and like, why? And then you can obviously take the 2 items off. You can wear that sucker just as a Gucci belt if you wanted to. You can Gucci pouch, have it as like a little O case, or have it as like a little toiletry pouch and put it in your bag, like in your actual purse separately. And then you can take your little coin pouch and you can take it off and put it in your bag separately. You can do so many things with this bag. It's sold out everywhere at the moment, and I never thought that I would like something from Gucci this much, and if I did, I thought that it was going to be like, I don't know, like a Marmont bag or like the mini Diana bag or just something like that. I never thought that it was going to be a belt bag. But you guys, those have been my 6 bags that are currently on my radar that I am seriously considering buying. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified whenever I upload. And you guys, let me know in the comments something that you are really into at the moment. Let me know if you have any bags on your wish list or anything on your wish list. Just leave me a comment down below telling me something, just because I want to know that. But you guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!